Good morning sa lahat. Kami po ay naglalakad today. Today is a voting day. Walang masyadong tao dito. Tingnan niyo. Walang tao dito sa aming pupuntahan. Walang pila. Napakatahimik. Yung mga isa-isa lang ang taong nagpupunta. So, andito na kami. Papasok na kami sa voting area. See you in a bit. So, have you done voting? Today is a federal election day here in Canada. As a Canadian citizen, we have the right to exercise our freedom to vote for the leader of whom we think is best to lead the country. So done for the day. The voting is accomplished.